You're a little bit different than the average Denago dealer in that your product mix is 50% of the ATVs and 50% of the pit bikes. How's the pit bike market doing?
Pit bike market for us has been picking up over the years. It's just kind of been a steady increase. I'm going to say since about 2017, 2018.
So you're familiar with the company, but this is your first time here to see this factory.
Yes.
What are your takeaways from all of this?
Pretty impressive. I didn't realize that so much was done in-house. Very little is outsourced the way it looks. Pretty impressive factory.
And you also had the opportunity to meet with Mr. Tao, see unrestricted access to the assembly lines and every piece of this puzzle. That doesn't happen at any of the other OEMs that I'm aware of, at least not very often.
Yes, it was, I thank him for letting us get in and see that. It was, like, it's very interesting.
And he actually took notes. I think he was hearing the comments that his dealers had. He was genuinely interested in feedback.
Yes, he was.
And speaking of feedback, how has your reception been by the Chinese people and the people here at the factory?
It couldn't be any better. The reception has been great.
So those preconceived notions of China as third world interlopers, a little bit different perspective now?
Yes, very much so.
Do you think that having met the people and seen this factory and seen the ambitions and the ideals that we have, that we can overcome the tariffs quicker than later?
I would hope so.